Will it blend? That is the question. Are you having trouble deciding which new phone to get? Nah, neither are we. But we have two phones here, and some people are telling me they're having a hard time making up their mind. So I am going to help them out. Are we ready? Lumia 929? Nobody wants that. Here, the Galaxy Note 3. And over here, seems like this larger size doesn't want to come out. Ah, the iPhone 6 Plus. I think I'll press the Newton button. And over here, I think I'll press the Who's Copying Who button. Oh, phablet smoke. Oh, don't breathe this. Where's the plus?